This golden drink offers more than rest. It soothes inflammation, eases joint discomfort, and supports recovery through the night. For those whose sleep has been stolen by stress or who wake with stiffness that lingers into the day, it can be a gentle, effective ally. If you choose to try it, let it be more than a drink. Let it be a ritual. Warm the milk with patience, breathe in the spice's earthy scent, and allow each sip to signal the mind. It is safe to release the day. Should it bring you peace, share that peace. Your experience may guide another toward the night of deep, unbroken rest they have been seeking. Warm gelatin or gently diluted bone broth, often thought of only as support for the joints, can be one of the most effective natural aids for sleep, especially for those over 60. Many know gelatin for its role in keeping joints supple and skin firm, yet fewer are aware of its hidden gift, an abundance of glycine, an amino acid deeply involved in promoting restful sleep and balancing the nervous system. Glycine works quietly, almost like a guide leading your body into stillness. It slows the heart rate, gently lowers core temperature, and encourages the formation of slow brain waves, the very rhythms needed for deep, dreamless, uninterrupted sleep. In 2007, research published in Neuropsychopharmacology showed that just 3 grams of glycine before bed helped older adults fall into deeper sleep, wake less often, and greet the morning with greater clarity and energy. Unlike sleeping pills, which impose drowsiness, glycine supports a natural transition into rest. Its benefits extend beyond sleep. Glycine stimulates collagen production through the night, aiding tissue repair, muscle recovery, and joint health, functions that naturally slow with age. Bone broth made through the slow simmering of bones is another rich source of gelatin, glycine, proline, and calming minerals. These not only nourish joints but also soothe the stomach and provide steady hydration through the night without overwhelming the bladder. To prepare gelatin, dissolve 1 teaspoon of unflavored powder in about 120 milliliters of warm water. Stir until fully dissolved, then sip slowly 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. For bone broth, select a low-sodium version, warm it gently without making it overly thick, and drink it on its own to allow better absorption of its nutrients. If you have tried other methods, herbal teas, breathing exercises, changes to your routine, and still find yourself waking tired, consider this gentle approach. It may not be a miracle, but for many, it is the missing piece. Rest comes not only from closing the eyes, but from giving the body what it needs to release the day and rebuild through the night. In this way, warm gelatin or bone broth becomes more than nourishment. It becomes a signal telling your body it is safe, supported, and ready to let go. Try it for several nights and observe the change. If your mornings feel clearer and your nights less broken, share your experience. You may find that your story is the encouragement someone else needs to rediscover the peace of a full, uninterrupted night's sleep. You may wonder if drinking anything at night is a mistake, if every sip will only bring another trip to the bathroom. But the truth is more gentle. When you choose the right drink, in the right amount, at the right time, you can sleep soundly without disturbance. First, remember that you need only a little. About 1/4 to 150 milliliters is enough. 1 spoon of gelatin in warm water, 1/2 cup of almond milk, or a small mug of chamomile tea will provide the nutrients your body needs for rest without overfilling your bladder. More will not improve your sleep. It will only wake you sooner. Second, give yourself time. Drink it 60 to 90 minutes before you sleep. Do not wait until you are already lying in bed. Instead, make it part of an evening ritual. Prepare your drink, enjoy its warmth, brush your teeth, visit the bathroom one last time, and lie down with an empty bladder. Third, choose drinks that are small in volume but rich in nourishment. Thicker drinks such as gelatin, golden milk, or almond milk not only soothe the body, but also help water remain within muscle and nerve tissues rather than rushing straight to the bladder. If tea or coconut water has woken you in the night, take them earlier, ideally before 7 in the evening. Fourth, teach your bladder to cooperate. Go at the same time each night. Your bladder remembers, and a steady routine trains it to hold water through the night without strain. Fifth, sip slowly over 10 to 15 minutes. Let your breathing be steady as you drink. This not only helps your body absorb the fluid more effectively, but also prevents the bladder from being jolted by a sudden rush. Finally, explore one drink at a time. Begin with almond milk for a week. The next week, try gelatin. Every body is unique, and testing slowly allows you to find what truly supports your rest without inviting discomfort. You do not need sleeping pills. You do not need to force yourself into bed before you are ready. Sometimes only a small, thoughtful change is required for the body to remember how to let go, how to sink into the stillness of night, and how to awaken refreshed. When you treat each evening as a quiet preparation, not a hurried ending, you invite your whole being into the art of rest. And in that space, sleep comes naturally. Before we close, let me offer a few simple practices, gentle adjustments that, when combined with the right evening drink, can help you sink even deeper into rest. These are not rules to follow with tension, but invitations to create an environment where sleep comes naturally. First, tend to the light around you. 1 hour before bed, let your world grow softer. Dim bright lamps, switch to warm, golden tones, or even the soft flicker of a candle. Light speaks to the body, and gentle light tells the brain that night has arrived, that it may begin releasing melatonin, the quiet messenger of sleep. Second, mind the air and temperature in your space. A slightly cooler room, around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, encourages the body to lower its core temperature, a natural signal for deep sleep. Add a blanket if you wish, but let the air around you remain fresh and calm. Third, turn to your breath. Just 5 minutes before bed, sit or lie down in stillness. Breathe in slowly for a count of 4, then breathe out for a count of 6. Feel the body grow heavier with each exhale. This subtle lengthening of the breath outwards signals the nervous system to shift from alertness into rest. Fourth, step away from the pull of screens. Phones, televisions, and tablets emit blue light that tells your mind to stay awake. If you can, set them aside at least 45 minutes before sleep. Let this be a time for quiet conversation, soft music, or the pages of a printed book. Fifth, offer gratitude to the day. Before you close your eyes, think of 3 moments, small or large, for which you are thankful. This turns the mind away from unfinished tasks and toward a sense of peace. Gratitude loosens the grip of worry and prepares the heart to rest. Sixth, be gentle with your evening rhythm. Approach bedtime not as a moment to shut down suddenly, but as a gradual turning toward stillness. Just as the sun does not vanish from the sky all at once, let your day fade slowly with calm intention. These practices do not demand perfection. If you forget one night, begin again the next. Each is simply another way to remind your body and mind of what they already know, that rest is natural and sleep is not something to chase, but something to allow. When combined with the right drink, chosen with care, these small steps can transform the night. They create a space where the body feels safe, the mind feels at ease, and the heart feels unburdened. And in that space, sleep becomes not an effort, but a gift that arrives quietly, faithfully, night after night. After 60, sleep can feel more delicate than it once was. Hormones shift, the bladder becomes more sensitive, and even the smallest change in your environment can stir the nervous system. Nights that once passed in a single breath may now be divided by hours of wakefulness. But this does not mean you must accept waking at 2 in the morning and watching the hours slip away until sunrise. Small intentional changes carried out with patience can restore the rhythm of deep rest. The 5 drinks we have explored together, warm almond milk, chamomile tea, lightly warmed coconut water, golden milk with black pepper, and warm gelatin or bone broth, are more than pleasant evening rituals. Each brings its own unique gift: magnesium to quiet the nerves, glycine to guide the brain towards slow restorative sleep, and plant compounds that gently lower stress hormones. The goal is not to drink more, but to drink with wisdom. Choose one that feels right for you. Take it about an hour before bed. Give your body time, perhaps a few nights, to respond. For some, the effect is immediate, as if the body had only been waiting for the right signal. For others, the shift arrives slowly, unfolding over time. Tonight, I invite you to try one. Notice not only how you sleep, but how you wake. Does your mind feel clearer? Do your mornings carry a softer light? Your experience is not only your own, it may become the key that helps another finally sleep through the night. If you find benefit, share your story with someone who needs it. In this way, your own journey toward rest becomes a gift for others. Remember, rest is not forced, it is allowed. Create the space, give the body what it needs, and sleep will return. I will be here each week, walking beside you on this path toward deep, peaceful rest, the kind you deserve, the kind that nourishes not only the body, but the heart. Thank you for spending this time together. May tonight bring you stillness, and may the morning greet you with renewed strength.